All right, folks and folkaroos, we are trading live. We are in the market, and I'm going to get in. Let's go ahead and let's make this baby rock and roll. Right there we go. We got long the pound Aussie. We got long, and now we're just going ahead and take some profit here. We're up. We're up. We're up. Gonna take it. Pay me. We're gonna take some over here. They're gonna pay me here. All right, they're gonna pay me over here too. Let's go ahead and take some money. Pay me, pay me, pay me. All right, all right, all right. Here we go. This is pound Aussie. This is May 20th, 2022, and this is Pip and Run forex scalping. We're compounding, compound day trading, guys. This is how we compound accounts. You can see that we're up to $86,000. Let's go ahead and we can clock for some more. $500 right there. Another 600. Watch us hit some more action. Watch us limit out, limit out. Come on, come on, come on, right there at the spread. Come on. Oh, is it gonna get me out? There we go. All right. So we are up to $95,000 so far, guys. Again, this is Pip and Run, hit and run scalping. We got one little position there. We've been kind of like hanging on for a little bit. Let's see if we can get out of that. We've been taking lots of positions along the way. We got a little floating loss up there. Take profit, 2.6. Okay, no. Okay, let's see if we can. Luckily, we can squeeze out of this one. Okay, so basically, we've got out a lot of trades. Lots of trades we took out. This is a 20-tick chart. We've been trading this all friggin' day, all night, all morning. It's just, people say, well, how long do I need to trade? Well, if it's giving you money, when would you stop? When would you stop? Do you see any losses here? Do you see any losses here? Or you don't see any losses. On the I offer a mentorship. You can sign up if there's spots available. In this down market where people are losing thousands of dollars, where crypto has lost billions of dollars in market cap, people in Luna, people in Tether, people in Bitcoin losing millions and millions of dollars, and why we can make money consistently on a daily basis, whether we do it today, whether we do it yesterday, whether we do it this month, or we did the previous month, right? We make money pretty regularly. Okay. So if you want to learn how to do this, if you're interested in learning how to scalp the market, not be a buy and holder, right? I'm not talking about buying and holding. I'm talking about scalping the market, taking out profit, getting in and getting out, and be able to produce results like this. Then you need to click the link below and you need to sign up. Okay. If seeing is believing, okay, I'm not going to rent a private jet and do a video. I'm not going to get an Airbnb mansion and to impress you. I'm not going to go on Turo and rent a Lambo to impress you. I'm going to show you results. Now, shame on you. You say, well, there are a lot of scammers out there, but you fell for it. You fell for the fake house. You fell for the fake sports car and the fake Rolex and all the fake stuff because your brain was wired to be a trader. It was trained to be a gambler. And so I'm showing you results. These are results that you can't argue with, which I'm more than happy to teach you if you're willing to invest in your training. It's not free. It's not cheap. But I tell you what, you show me someone on the internet who's doing this, show me. Okay. I'm showing you on a daily basis, posting in my Facebook group, showing you daily results and results of my students. Okay. So this is Greg Mcleod signing out. This, like I said, we got some limits up here. This is going to probably go a lot higher. Pound Aussie is I call it the Armageddon pair because when the stock market crashes, Pound Aussie rallies. You look at back 2008, Pound Aussie spiked so hard. And this is just the very beginning of it. Okay. So that's a bone. That's a tip. Use it, make some money, and then join my course. All right. Talk to you soon. Greg Mcleod. Peace and pips.